Welcome to your focused life.
Welcome to the Focus Life YouTube channel, engineered to help you drastically improve your focus in your daily life. Make sure to subscribe here for daily updates on mastering your cognitive potential. Now, let me ask you a question. Every time you pause your work for just 5 seconds to quickly check a notification, look at an unread email, or glance at another screen, do you know the exact biological price your brain is paying in invisible cognitive tax? You think you are simply multitasking or staying connected, but your brain does not operate like a clean light switch that toggles instantly between tasks. Instead, every single micro switch extracts a massive performance penalty known as attention residue. When you jump from your core project to a quick message and immediately turn back, a significant portion of your mental energy stays completely trapped, anchored to that previous input and forcing your subconscious to run heavy background processing loops. This means you are forcing your brain to solve complex problems on severely fragmented RAM, creating a thick layer of cognitive clutter that quietly destroys your processing speed, spikes your daily exhaustion, and ensures that everything you produce remains entirely mediocre. To stop paying this devastating cognitive tax and instantly reclaim your mental velocity, you must deploy the single tasking shield protocol. First, you must declare open warfare on digital fragmentation by closing every single browser tab and communication stream that is not strictly mandatory for your current 90-minute block. Second, when an unrelated chore, an urgent idea, or a sudden distraction pops into your mind while you are working, you must absolutely refuse to switch tasks to address it. Instead, write it down on a physical notepad to completely dump it from your working memory, and immediately force your eyes back to the primary objective. The ability to isolate and protect a single task for an hour or more is the ultimate unfair advantage in the modern economy. Amateur professionals spend their entire lives in a permanent cognitive fog caused by 1,000 open tabs, while the focused few protect the absolute integrity of their current processing cycle to outproduce and out-innovate everyone around them. If you are ready to eliminate attention residue and run your mind at 100% capacity today, drop a comment below saying "Zero Residue" to anchor your focus. Subscribe for daily updates and protect your baseline. Stay resolute.